Welcome students in the science class chapter 5 acid bases and salts, and in this class we will study about bases. Okay, bases. What is bases? Then some substances like soaps, shampoos and cleaning agents have a bitter taste and are slippery to touch. This is due to the presence of substances called bases. Okay, means those substances which are taste in bitter known as base. Okay, and substances that contain bases are known as basic substances. Okay students, for example shampoo, soap, cleaning agent. Generally bases are classified into two types. Bases are classified into two types. Okay students, first is a strong bases. First is a strong bases and second is weak bases. There are two types of bases, a strong bases and weak bases. Okay, a strong bases, some of the bases are corrosive in nature and may result in a skin burns. Such bases are called a strong bases. Means that bases which are corrosive in nature and may result in a skin burns. Such bases are called a strong bases. Example: sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Okay, these are the some examples of a strong bases. Next, weak bases. Some of the bases are not corrosive in nature. Such bases are called weak bases. Okay students, for example magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and copper hydroxide. These are the some examples of weak bases. Okay, means it is clear that bases are classified into two types. Okay, first a strong bases and second one is weak bases. Next, some properties of bases, just like acids. Okay, bases are bitter to taste. Okay, first property is bases are bitter to taste. Second, bases turn red litmus to blue. When bases put on red litmus, it turns into blue. Okay, means bases turn red litmus to blue. Bases are slippery to touch, very smooth. Bases are slippery to touch. Next, some of bases are soluble in water, and that bases which are soluble in water known as alkalis. Okay, some of bases are soluble in water, they are called alkalis. For example potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Some bases are insoluble in water. Okay, bases are corrosive in nature, so they not to be touched with bare hands. Then these are the some properties of bases, means physical properties of bases. Next, chemical properties. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. For example, when ammonium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, it forms ammonium chloride, means salt, and also water. Means bases react with acids to form acid and water. Next, 7 number. Bases react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Bases react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. For example, when sodium hydroxide react with zinc, it forms sodium zincate, means salt of metal, and releases hydrogen gas. Okay, these are the some chemical properties of bases. Next, uses of bases. Okay, next our topic is uses of bases. First use is sodium hydroxide. Uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used as a major ingredient in the manufacture of soaps and detergent. Okay, first is it is used as major ingredient in the manufacture of soaps and detergent. Second, it is used in paper, textile and plastic industry. Okay students, sodium hydroxide is also used in paper, textile and plastic industries. Sodium hydroxide is used in the food processing industries for washing and chemical peeling of fruits and vegetables. Sodium hydroxide is used as a cleaning material to unblock cold drains and to clean waste discharge pipes. Okay, these are the some uses of sodium hydroxide. Next, uses of calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide. It is used as an additive in the cement industry. First is calcium hydroxide is used as an additive in the cement industry. Next, it is used in the storage of fruits and vegetables as it absorbs the extra carbon dioxide and maintain the oxygen to carbon dioxide ratio. Okay. Next, it is used in the processing of water that can be used in soft drinks and alcoholic beverages. Calcium hydroxide is used in the treatment of wastewater before it is disposed of. Calcium hydroxide is used the main component in the neutralizing the soil, which helps in the enhancing the growth of plants. Okay, these are the some uses of calcium hydroxide. Next, ammonium hydroxide. It is used as a major ingredient in various cleaning agents. Okay, and next it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Okay students, these are the some uses of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, first is it is used as a major ingredient in various cleaning agent, and second is it is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Means by the help of ammonium hydroxide fertilizers is made. Which fertilizers? Ammonium nitrate. Okay, next one is magnesium hydroxide. It is widely used as an antacid to neutralize acidity in the stomach. When in our stomach acidity occurs, means amount of acid is increased, then it is used as an antacid. Okay, and next it is used along with hydrochloric acid in fire extinguisher. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. Next, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Potassium hydroxide, KOH. It is a strong base. Potassium hydroxide is used in the refining of petroleum. Potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of fertilizers and soft soaps, and it is also used in the preparation of alkaline batteries due to its electrolytic property. Okay students, means which acids have alkaline which bases have electrolytic property? Then your answer is potassium hydroxide, means KOH. Okay, then in our next class we will study about salts and also indicators, means for identify acids and bases. Okay, means acidic substances and basic substances. Okay, thank you.